Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the air filter on the Audi TT Mark 1. You will have to undo a couple of screws on the air filter housing. You will have to take off a little air pipe on the side of the air filter housing. Then you have to undo a Jubilee clip. Then you will have to remove the connector from the airflow meter. After that, you should be able to pull out the cover for the air filter housing. Then you can take out the old air filter. After that, you can install the new air filter. Then you can reinstall the air filter housing. In order to reinstall the air filter housing, you'll find there's a plastic cover on top of the battery which you have to remove. After that, you should be able to hook on the air filter housing cover. After that, you can reconnect the air pipe on the side of the housing. Then you can reconnect the main intake air pipe and tighten the Jubilee clip. You also have to reconnect the plug for the airflow meter. Then you can tighten the screws for the air filter housing. And finally, you should put that plastic cover back that goes on top of the battery. After that, you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.